Mastering, win over, enhance your English skills. Hello everyone and welcome back to our English language learning channel. Today, we have a very interesting topic to discuss. The phrase, win over. Have you ever heard someone saying they need to win someone over and wondered what it means? Well, you're in the right place, because today, we're going to break down this phrase, look at its meaning, and go through some examples together. By the end of this video, you'll be able to use win over like a native speaker. Win over is a phrasal verb, and it's used when someone is trying to gain the support or favor of another person or a group of people. It means that you are trying to convince them to agree with you, support you, or start liking you. This can be in a personal context, like with friends or family, or in a professional context, like with colleagues or bosses. Example 1. Imagine you have a new coworker, and at first, they seem a bit distant. You might try to win them over by being extra friendly, helping them with their work, or inviting them to lunch. Example 2. A politician before an election will try to win over voters by making speeches, explaining their policies, and showing how they can make a positive change. Now that we know what win over means, let's look at how we can use it in sentences. Positive context. He managed to win over the audience with his impressive speech. With her kindness and generosity, she won over the entire community. Negative context. Despite his efforts, he couldn't win her over. She was still mad at him. The politician failed to win over the voters, resulting in a loss in the election. Mistake 1. Incorrect. He wanted to win the job over with his skills. Correct. He wanted to win the job with his skills. Explanation. Win over is used for people, not for objects or situations. Mistake 2. Incorrect. She won over to join our team. Correct. She was won over to join our team. Explanation. Make sure to use the correct form of the verb depending on the subject of the sentence. And there you have it, a complete breakdown of the phrase, win over. Now you should be able to confidently use this phrase in your daily conversations and understand it when others use it. Remember, it's all about gaining someone's support or favor. Practice makes perfect. So try to use win over in your own sentences and see how it improves your English communication skills. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope this video has been helpful in your English learning journey. Don't forget to like this video if you found it useful, and subscribe to our channel for more English language tips and tricks. See you next time.